The most important way to protect the investment in your Cretors and Company concession equipment is with regular maintenance and cleaning. This cleaning kit from Cretors and Company comes with everything you will need to properly clean your popper. From personal protective equipment including heat and chemical resistant gloves, safety glasses, and a cane mesh apron, to Cretors recommended cleaners, and finally the scrub pads, brush, and cleaning tub, this kit includes everything you need to clean your machine. Made of the same material that is recommended for Teflon pans and cut to perfectly fit a 16-inch popper kettle, the reusable scrub pads are perfect for both stainless steel and our nickel finish kettles. The kettles are designed to be cleaned in place. However, many parts should be removed and taken to a sink to be thoroughly cleaned. The provided cleaning tub allows a place for you to store the parts when removed to be cleaned, as well as receive the cleaning solution from the kettle for ease of transport to a sink. The small handheld scrub pad that is provided with the Cretors and Company cleaning kit is made of the same material as the large round scrub pad and is ideal for cleaning the sides of the interior kettle surface. The wire brush that is provided with this cleaning kit is essential to remove any carbonization and residue from inside the stirrer blade hub as well as the drive connector. With all components of this kit available for purchase separately to replenish supplies, and with Cretors specially formulated cleaners available by the case as well as by the jar, the Cretors cleaning kit is a perfect addition for any location to assist with proper care and maintenance of your machines so they can provide years of service. Contact our sales department with any questions or comments regarding this equipment.